Essential skills for building wealth. Welcome to the world of unlimited possibilities and boundless wealth. In this captivating journey, we present to you the Millionaire Blueprint. This serves as your compass, guiding you through the essential skills and strategies required to achieve wealth. Prepare to embark on a transformative adventure as we delve into the realms of mindset mastery, investment prowess, entrepreneurial acumen, and much more. Embrace the opportunities that lie ahead as we equip you with the knowledge and tools to shape your own destiny and soar to unprecedented heights of success. Welcome to Braylen AV. If you haven't yet, please like and subscribe. Number 1. Mastering money management, a key skill for millionaire lifestyle. This essential skill forms the foundation upon which financial success is built. From budgeting to saving, effective money management empowers individuals to take control of their financial destiny. It is the art of making informed decisions, maximizing income, and minimizing expenses. By mastering money management, you can optimize your financial resources, grow your wealth, and pave the way for a life of abundance. Number 2. Investment strategies for millionaires, building wealth with skills. Millionaires understand that investing is not a game of chance, but a skill that can be honed and perfected. By leveraging their knowledge and expertise, they navigate the intricate landscape of stocks and other lucrative avenues to generate impressive returns. They employ diversification and in-depth market analysis to seize opportunities that others may overlook. Join us on this transformative journey as we delve into the realm of investment strategies for millionaires. Discover the power of informed decision-making and long-term wealth building. Number 3. Strategic thinking, building a millionaire mindset and lifestyle. It is the art of looking beyond the present, envisioning the bigger picture, and making calculated decisions that propel you towards financial success. Strategic thinkers anticipate trends, identify opportunities, and craft innovative solutions to navigate the ever-evolving landscape of wealth creation. By developing a millionaire mindset rooted in strategic thinking, you gain the power to turn obstacles into stepping stones, setbacks into comebacks. Number 4. Building a wealthy mind, mastering mental skills for financial independence. Building a wealthy mind goes beyond mere financial strategies. It encompasses the cultivation of a mindset that attracts abundance and prosperity. It is the recognition that true wealth begins within, and it is shaped by our thoughts, beliefs, and attitudes towards money. By mastering mental skills such as positive thinking, resilience, and goal setting, you lay the foundation for a mindset that aligns with financial success. Let's empower ourselves with the mental tools necessary to overcome challenges, seize opportunities, and create a life of unparalleled wealth and financial independence. Number 5. Leveraging real estate. Real estate investment holds a prominent place in the pursuit of wealth creation and the coveted millionaire lifestyle. By harnessing this power, you can unlock a multitude of opportunities for financial growth and long-term prosperity. From strategic property selection to effective negotiation, understanding market trends to maximizing returns, mastering the key skills of real estate investment is essential. Discover the art of property valuation, rental income optimization, and wealth accumulation through real estate portfolios. Number 6. Scaling a business, essential skills in the Millionaire Blueprint. Scaling a business is the art of taking a venture to new heights of success and profitability. It requires a blend of strategic planning, effective leadership, and a relentless pursuit of growth. By mastering these essential skills, you can unlock the potential for exponential wealth creation and pave the way to the coveted millionaire lifestyle. From developing efficient systems and processes, to expanding market reach and nurturing a high-performing team, scaling a business demands a holistic approach. Interested in starting a business to create wealth? Click the links in our description box below. Number 7. Mastering sales and marketing, strategies for financial independence. This is an essential skill for achieving unparalleled success and building a life of abundance. The ability to connect with customers, communicate the value of your products or services, and ultimately drive revenue growth. By honing these strategies, you unlock the potential to create a sustainable and profitable business that fuels your journey towards wealth. Discover the power of persuasive communication, effective branding, and targeted marketing campaigns. Prepare to propel your business to new heights and embrace the boundless opportunities that lie ahead on your path to financial independence, within the realm of living the millionaire lifestyle. Number 8. Risk management skills. Mastering the art of sales and marketing is an essential skill for achieving unparalleled success and building a life of abundance. It's the ability to connect with customers, communicate the value of your products or services, and ultimately drive revenue growth. By honing these strategies, you unlock the potential to create a sustainable and profitable business that fuels your journey towards financial independence. Number 9. The power of compounding. Compounding is a phenomenon that has the potential to transform your financial journey and unlock the path to lasting wealth. It is the magic that occurs when your money earns returns, and those returns, in turn, generate more returns. By harnessing the power of compounding, you can supercharge wealth creation efforts and create a snowball effect that propels you towards financial independence. Number 10. The power of mindfulness, cultivating success in the Millionaire Blueprint. Mindfulness is the practice of being fully engaged in the present moment, free from distractions and preconceptions. It is the key to unlocking clarity, focus, and intentionality in all aspects of life, including building wealth and embracing the millionaire lifestyle. By cultivating mindfulness, you gain the ability to make sound financial decisions, manage stress, and build meaningful relationships. As you see, the journey towards building wealth and embracing the millionaire lifestyle is an exhilarating one. Along this path, we have explored a plethora of skills that pave the way to financial success. Each skill plays a vital role in our pursuit of abundance. We have learned the importance of setting bold goals, practicing gratitude, and developing financial literacy. We've discovered the power of persistence, adaptability, and effective decision-making. As we embody these skills and weave them into the fabric of our lives, we unlock our true potential and embark on a transformative journey towards wealth and fulfillment. So, let us continue to embrace these essential skills, for they are the building blocks of the millionaire lifestyle.